Welcome to GigaBits. You've probably seen the Walmart Plus membership popping up in ads, promising free delivery, fuel discounts, and exclusive member deals, all for a modest monthly fee. On its face, it sounds like a win for shoppers who already frequent Walmart. But the big question in 2026 is Walmart Plus actually worth your money, or is it just another subscription that doesn't deliver real value? Today we're breaking down the good, the bad, and the surprising truth about Walmart Plus. To get a comprehensive view, I tested Walmart Plus over a full 8-week period. I placed orders for groceries, household essentials, and electronics using same-day and 2-day delivery. I tracked fuel savings at Walmart gas stations, checked member-only offers, and compared costs to my previous spending. On top of my testing, I reviewed user feedback from online communities, examined Walmart's pricing structure, and analyzed how Walmart Plus stacks up against competitors like Amazon Prime and Instacart subscriptions. With that real-world data in hand, here's what you really get from Walmart Plus and whether it's worth your budget. Walmart Plus claims to provide free delivery on groceries and general merchandise, faster delivery, same-day or 2-day shipping, fuel discounts at Walmart and partner gas stations, exclusive member deals and offers, mobile scan and go, skip the checkout line, no hidden fees beyond the membership price. These benefits sound compelling, but do they match up under real scrutiny? Step 1. Delivery efficiency. During testing, grocery orders under Walmart arrived reliably within the promised 2-day or same-day windows in many zip codes. However, in more remote or underserved regions, delivery delays occurred more frequently. For non-grocery items, 2-day delivery worked reasonably well, but not always as fast or well-tracked as other premium services. Step 2. Delivery cost savings. Walmart Plus avoids delivery fees for eligible orders, which can save a decent amount over time, particularly if you order frequently. But for smaller or infrequent orders, the savings may not offset the monthly membership cost. Some users admitted they still preferred to pick up locally rather than rely on delivery. Step 3. Fuel discounts. One of the most tangible benefits is the realistic savings at the pump. Walmart Plus users typically get a few cents off per gallon at Walmart and participating gas stations. Over time, this adds up for drivers who regularly use these stations. However, for those who rarely buy fuel at Walmart or don't drive much, the discount is less meaningful. Step 4. Member-only deals. Walmart Plus does feature some exclusive deals, particularly during seasonal events or flash sales. Yet these offers are not always deeply discounted. Many are modest savings that are less attractive compared to competing subscription perks from other retailers. Some users say the member deals feel more like marketing than significant value. Step 5. Scan and Go feature. With the mobile Scan and Go feature, you can scan items as you shop and skip the checkout line. This can be a big time saver in busy stores. During my testing, this worked well in several locations, but not every Walmart store supports it fully, and inventory inconsistencies occasionally caused item scanning issues. Step 6. Membership price versus value. Walmart Plus membership is a fixed monthly or annual fee. When I calculated the real savings based on my usage, the break-even point required using delivery often or pumping gas regularly at Walmart. For casual shoppers who only go to Walmart occasionally or pick up orders themselves, the membership may feel less justified. Step 7. Customer feedback, positive reviews. Highlights a convenient delivery for big grocery orders. Fuel discounts help a lot. Scan and Go saves tons of time. Critical feedback includes not worth it for small orders. Some exclusive deals are not very exclusive. Delivery still misses windows occasionally. So is Walmart Plus membership really worth your money? Yes, if you order Walmart groceries or household items frequently, regularly fill up your car at Walmart or partner gas stations, use the Scan and Go feature in local stores, want a reliable delivery alternative without tipping or high service fees. No matter if you rarely shop at Walmart or don't use their delivery, don't drive or don't refuel at Walmart stations, prefer to pick up in-store instead of waiting for delivery, already have a similar subscription, Prime, Instacart, that meets your needs better. Bottom line, Walmart Plus is a useful subscription for power shoppers, but it's not a must-have for casual users. Your savings depend heavily on how much you use the delivery and fuel perks. If this review helped you decide whether Walmart Plus is worth the cost, hit the like button and subscribe to GigaBits. We break down real consumer services and subscriptions every week, so you always know whether you're saving or just spending.